Most people think you need a website to make money online, but what if I told you that's not true? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 real ways you can start earning online in 2025. No website required. And you'll definitely want to stick around for number 7 because it's a method that can literally earn you money while you sleep. Let's kick things off with freelancing platforms. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You just create a profile on a site like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, list your skills, and boom, you're connected to a global marketplace of clients. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, or you do voiceovers, everything from finding a job to getting paid happens right on the platform. If you want a full guide on setting up your freelance profile, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. Next up, number 2, selling directly through social media. You already have an Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account, right? Start using it to showcase your work or promote digital products. You can create engaging posts, build a community, and handle all your client communication right there in the DMs. No website, no problem at all. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. And yes, you can do it without a website. Just grab your unique affiliate links from platforms like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, or ClickBank. Then, share those links in your social media bio, your YouTube video descriptions, or even in an email newsletter. Your job is to create helpful content, add your link, and you'll earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. At number 4, we have YouTube automation. And the best part, you don't even have to show your face. You can create faceless channels using AI voices, stock footage, or simple screen recordings. Think about channels doing tech reviews or sharing motivational clips. They earn money from ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all without a single web page to their name. Coming in at number 5 is selling ebooks or digital files. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Ko-fi are game changers. They handle the file hosting and payment processing for you. All you have to do is create a guide, a template, or a set of presets, then share the purchase link. It's the perfect way to monetize your knowledge directly. Number 6 is all about leveraging AI tools for clients. You can offer quick and valuable services using AI. For example, use ChatGPT for writing copy, Canva's AI for creating designs, or Midjourney for stunning visuals. You can sell these services directly to clients through freelance platforms or even social media DMs. It's fast, efficient, and requires zero personal branding on a website. And finally, number 7, remote and micro jobs. Sites like Remote Asks, Clickworker, and Microworkers pay you to complete small, simple tasks online. This could be anything from labeling images and testing apps to reviewing data. It's incredibly easy to get started, and all you need is your laptop or phone. So there you have it, 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025 without a website. You can start today with just a skill, your phone, and an internet connection. If you want the step-by-step guides, links to all the sites I mentioned, and some bonus tools, they're all waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next week, I'm dropping a video on 5 AI tools that can make you money on autopilot. You won't want to miss it.